Amber is done. New evidence reveals her disgusting action toward Johnny Depp. This revelation is truly shocking. New evidence released in court shows how Amber abused Johnny. The evidence could be pivotal in deciding the trial. Keep watching this video to find out more. In a shocking piece of evidence brought before the court, it was revealed that Heard confessed to starting a physical fight in audio tapes played by Depp's legal team, where she fought with him and she didn't punch him but hit him. "You didn't get punched, you got hit. I'm sorry I hit you like this, but I did not punch you," she told Depp. "I did not effing deck you. I effing was hitting you. But you're fine. I did not hurt you. I was hitting you," she could be heard saying. So she does admit to being abusive towards Johnny. What's more concerning is that the fact she tries to downplay it by telling Depp that he's fine. We wonder if she would have admitted to it at all had Johnny's team not played the audio recordings. "I get so mad, I effing lose it," she said later in the same conversation. Heard tried to rationalize her actions. "It's almost more reassuring to accept responsibility for it than to accept the senselessness of the violence," Heard said. "He hit me no matter what I did, no matter what I did." In another bizarre piece of evidence, the story of fecal delivery, or simply poop on the bed, was also brought up in court. For those who need a bit of context, it was in 2018 that Johnny Depp first asserted that Amber Heard, or one of her friends, left poop on his side of the bed. The situation reportedly happened following an argument that took place between the two in 2016. The dispute was related to Depp allegedly being late for Heard's 30th birthday party before leaving quickly. It's been said that a housekeeper found the soiled sheets sometime later and ultimately informed the Pirates of the Caribbean alum. Depp, 58, had testified that Heard tried to blame it on the dogs, but he didn't believe the dropping that he observed in a photo could have come from their small pets. "I lived with those dogs for many years. That did not come from a dog. It just didn't." He also referred to it as fecal delivery. He said of his initial response, "I laughed. It was so outside. It was so bizarre and so grotesque that I could only laugh. So I did not go down there that day." In the courtroom, Heard was asked by her lawyer if she could have possibly pulled some sort of prank on Johnny, but she strongly denied it. "First of all, I don't think that's funny. I don't know what grown woman does. I was also not in a pranking mood. My life was falling apart. I was at a crossroads in my life. I was really serious," Heard continued. "And I'd just been attacked on my 30th birthday by my violent husband, with whom I was desperately in love and knew I needed to leave. It was not really a jovial time, and I don't think that's funny, period. That's disgusting." In another very alarming piece of evidence revealed to court, Johnny claimed that Amber Heard severed his middle finger by throwing 2 bottles of vodka at him. "She threw the bottle and it made contact and shattered everywhere. I honestly didn't feel the pain at first, at all. I felt heat and I felt something were dripping down my hand, and then I looked down and realized the tip of my finger had been severed, and I was looking at my bone sticking out, and blood was just pouring out," he told the court. Depp also said that he lied about the injury when he went to the hospital because he did not want to put the blame on Amber. Heard denied this and testified that on the same night, Depp sexually assaulted her with a liquor bottle, and at some point between then and the next day, his finger was injured. Richard Moore, a North Carolina-based orthopedic surgeon who was called to the witness stand by the defense, told the jury that he did not believe Depp's finger was injured from a vodka bottle being thrown at him. Moore, who added that he reviewed a tremendous amount of material, including medical records, photos, and depositions from Depp and his doctor, said he arrived at that opinion because the medical data is inconclusive. It's not consistent with what we see in the described injury pattern or in the clinical photographs. These pieces of evidence and claims and their plausibility is yet up for debate, but we believe it is certainly very suspicious that both Johnny and Amber have admitted to opposing claims at some point in the trial. Let us have a look at what the internet thinks. One user tweeted, "If you ever feel stupid, just remember Amber Heard brought photos of Johnny Depp sleeping on vacation as evidence that he was abusive." Another user was of the opinion, "This trial is almost over and I have yet to see evidence of Amber Heard being abused by Johnny Depp." That's all we have time for in this video. Do you think Depp will win this case now that the evidence is out? Let us know in the comments below. And please like and subscribe.